What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Apple's brand new 2021 Mac Mini with the M1 silicon chip inside. Now, this is Apple's own proprietary CPU and GPU system, so they've done a lot of things with this to make this product just phenomenal. So we're going to be checking that out today. We got the base model. It's the 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, with the 8 gigabytes of memory and the 256 gigabytes of SSD storage built in. We went with the basic model just because this is something I wanted to upgrade my setup so that I can get working with a Mac. I've been having some issues with my MacBook Pro, and so I wanted to get this going so that way I can continue my production and everything like that without getting any kind of hindrance while I wait for the new MacBook Pros to come out later. And we'll review that when that happens as well. But let's go ahead and get started here, guys. So like I said, we got the Mac Mini here, brand new. Just picked this up today. I'm super excited about this. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and showing you guys. I've got a couple different angles here, something new to my setup. And if you guys have seen me on other channels in the past, I'm going through a whole upgrade right now. So I'm excited to show this off. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take the top of the box off. I already unwrapped it, but I haven't opened this yet. And I'm super excited to see this with you guys. I've never had a Mac Mini. This thing is massive. I don't know what they meant by mini when they talked about this, but there is nothing small about this device right here. It's huge. Like, you can see, like, it's bigger than the palm of my hand. I don't know what I expected, but I did not expect it to be this big. I'll be perfectly honest with you guys. That kind of threw me by surprise, especially when I saw the actual box and I was like, wow, this is bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be something way smaller. So, but that's okay. I'm super excited about this. So let's go ahead and get this off. Maybe some little ASMR with this. How about that? Oh, that's nice. It's not like space gray, but it's not silver either. It's like a darker silver or a light gray, however you want to call it here. But comparing to other silver products, this definitely looks darker. So, but that's a good thing. I like the dark color. I was actually hoping that, you know, they would have a space gray version, which I think they're going to be having one later. So I'm excited about that, to see that maybe in the fall here. Let's go ahead and check out the ports on the back here. We've got the AC power adapter in the back here. We've got the gigabit Ethernet port. I did not upgrade to the 10 gigabits just because I don't have that kind of a network infrastructure at my house here. So it really didn't serve any purpose for me to get that. We've got 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 1 HDMI port capable of up to 4K, and we've got 2 USB-A ports. So we do have 3.0, and then we've got a headphone jack, and then our fan right in the center here. The one thing that I was excited about with the new M1 silicon from Apple is that they've done a huge upgrade in terms of performance, as well as the heat dissipation. Now, if you guys have owned any kind of Apple products before, you know the jet engine sound when you try to do something productive with your device. And I'm all too familiar with that with my MacBook Pro. So I'm glad that they've solved a lot of that issue with their own proprietary silicon, and that this will hopefully run a lot cooler and a lot more efficient from what I've seen. So we've got our little booklet here. We're going to go ahead and take a look. We've got the usual paperwork that you get with any kind of Apple product. Of course, we've got the wonderful Apple stickers that come with this. Oh, it's just one Apple sticker. So we got one big Apple sticker. I'm actually kind of excited about that because this might go on the Ranger. I don't know. It might go on my truck. We'll see. I kind of thought about putting an Apple logo on it, but like, I don't know if I want to do a big one or a small one. So it's something to think about. I never had one that big. So the only other thing that this comes with is the power cable here. It's an AC power adapter because I am in the US. Obviously, they'll ship you whatever kind of power adapter you have for whatever country you're in there if you don't have the US 120. So I'm not going to unbox this, but it's just a standard power cable. I think I don't know how many feet it is, honestly, actually. Okay, so we're looking at a good, about 6 feet. About a 6-foot cable that they provide you here, which should be enough. I mean, you're just running from your desk to your power. It shouldn't be anything crazy on that. But I'm excited to hook this up, get into it, set it up, get all my programs on it, and start using this thing. I'm really excited. I'll have some more videos about this, whatever I can think of to share with you guys. If you guys want to know more about this, anything in particular, hit me up in the comments below. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content coming soon. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.